Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the snack pan in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new snack pan. The snack pan is located in the middle of the refrigerator section. It could be used for storing snacks and other small objects. The main reason to replace the snack pan is if it breaks and won't slide in and out. To get to the part, I need to open the fresh food door. To remove the snack pan, we pull it out straight and then lift up, and then we can remove it. This is the old snack pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the snack pan onto the rails, we're going to place this rear end on. Now we're going to leave the front end up, and now we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.